Hello everyone, Install Easy here. Today we're going to show you how to quickly install WordWeb on your Windows operating system. WordWeb is a full dictionary at your fingertips. It allows you to search for definitions, synonyms, and antonyms locally without going online. You can also connect online for more expanded functionality. Alright, let's get to the install. Open Microsoft Edge, double click, type WordWeb. On the first WordWeb download, click on it. Do not click on anyone that says add. This is the official website. Click on it. Click download now, and it's downloading. Wait for it. It's almost there. We could run the installation from here. However, close this out. Click on File Explorer. Click on Downloads. Double click WordWeb 10. Let's close this out and just accept. And grant permissions, click yes. This is just personal preferences. You could check it out, but if you don't want, just click next. Select your location and click next. Install. And this is just the shortcut on how to get to it. Just click next and click close here, and it will tuck it in for you here at all times in the tray. Just click on it to open it up, and this is WordWeb. If you wanted to pin it, right click and click pin to text bar. It will always be there. The final thing we're going to do is create a desktop icon. So click on start, click on all apps, scroll all the way down to W, and basically drag it out here. And that's all you do for WordWeb. Leave a comment on installs you would like to see on this channel. From the team here at Install Easy, see you next time.